Hi Leos, hi everyone, how's you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy, and safe following the rules and guidelines of the government. This is for Leos for the month of December. This time I'm doing a different reading, like what's going on, what are the messages in the month of December, okay? So let's check it out. I'm just doing a situationship reading, okay? Something different this time, okay? So guys, if you wish to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to enroll for our 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to purchase energized and activated bracelets and anklets from India, so kindly ping me, the details are given in the description box below. So yes, if you wish to book, you can connect to me via WhatsApp or my email ID, okay? Anything is okay. So this is the reading for the month of December 2020, okay? So yeah, okay. So let's check it out, what's going on in the month of December. Messages for the month of December. Okay, you are understanding a lot about yourself, projections, major realizations about your life. What are you meant to be? Okay, you are spiritually awakening, or few of you are already spiritually awakened. Like I am a Leo, so I am spiritually awakened. Okay, but few of you are still awakening in the awakening process. Okay, so who haven't been awakened yet. Okay, so I'm telling you that major realizations are happening. Okay, and a lot of realizations about your life is happening, and you might feel disappointed about something or someone, okay? And spiritual awakening is going on. There's a major thunderbolt is going on into your life right now, okay? Or a thunderbolt is going to shake up your life in the month of December. Okay, you are going to learn something about someone, or you are going to understand some things about someone, okay? Yes, you are a very playful energy, that I know, because I am also a very playful person. So yeah, you are just going to be very happy. You are just going to be going to be going with the flow. Okay, like go with the flow. You will be doing in the month of December. Okay, you are going to think about your moral values, about your life, about your existence. You'll be questioning your existence. What are you supposed to do in this lifetime? What is your purpose? What is this happening? Why is this happening with me only? Certain questions you'll be asking about yourselves, about people around you, about situations. You are going to realize a lot of things about you. Okay, so yeah, you are just being patient enough about something. You are going to be very patient enough, okay, about someone or something. You are just going, you will be just being patient, and you will just go with the flow. Okay, a major guilt is there about certain things in life. Okay, regrets are there in of the past. Okay, fighting might be happening around you, or related to a third party situation. Third party can be your in-laws, can be your parents, can be your family members, can be a neighbor, who can be a friend. It can be anything. So a third person is trying to interfere into your life. Okay, and that might be because of that a lot of fightings and disappointments might be there. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. Okay. Okay, let me do a shuffling proper. Okay, so in the December month, you will be contemplating a lot about certain things, certain situations of life. Okay, okay. What you are dealing with, Leos, I am also a Leo, but this doesn't happen with me. Okay, so this is a general reading. It might resonate with someone, it might not resonate with everyone out there, because there are 8 million people around the world, like more than that, right? So it might get related to someone, it might not get related to certain things. Okay, so yeah. Oh ho. Oh, third party interference is major into your married life, 100%. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let me tell you, you are contemplating a lot about someone else. You are thinking, contemplating, rejuvenating, resting, meditating about relocating, about traveling, but you're traveling and relocation, or if you wish to explore somewhere, a new city that has been blocked right now. Okay, you're thinking a lot about stability. Okay, so yeah, a lot contemplation is going on, and relocation, shifting, traveling is being blocked right now. Okay, there's a lot of stagnant energy when it comes to moving forward in life, like taking an action and moving forward might be related to relocation or going, thinking about something. Okay, so there's a major stagnant energy is there. You want to move away from someone or something. Okay, and you have done that, I think. In the past you have moved away from manipulative energies, sneaky energies, problems, fights, arguments. But and I think this was in the past, it happened with you, that you moved away from certain situation and there was a long time of stagnancy into your life. Okay, now I think a lot of you are a lot of hidden secrets and hidden truths are about to get revealed. That is what you are thinking. It might be related to a third party situation. Okay, or the heartbreak situation if it happened into your life. Okay, so in December month, a lot of hidden secrets, hidden truths will be revealed related to a third party situation. And or else it might be possible that hidden secrets, hidden truths will be revealed about your partner who has broken your heart, or someone who has broken your heart. A lot of secrets will be coming out about them. Okay, so yes, that's beautiful. You are indecisive about certain things. Definitely third party situation I am seeing a lot nowadays. So definitely third party situation is there into your life. Okay, and I think you are at a distance level, you are into separation, I guess. Okay, so third party situation is interfering into your married life. That is what I feel. A lot of unstable instability is there. There's not much happiness, and third party interference is there, and there is a lot of problem has been created by the third person into your married life. That's the issue going on. I don't know, this is a suck. This reading sucks. Okay, guys, I mean, this situation is only for few of the people out there, but yeah, that is what this energies are going to tell. This is a situation of a particular person, or 5% of the people out there. A lot of stagnancy is there when it comes to making a major decisions about your life, about your married life, about your commitment, or about your love life. Okay, a reconciliation is not happening. Lot of stagnancy is there when it comes to your reconciliation or a reunion. Okay, which you are expecting, but universe is not going to do it. Okay, so yeah, major outcome is new opportunities are opening up for you when it comes to money related stuff, like issues going on into your personal life, but your financial life, I think it will be booming. Okay, after January 2021, that's what I feel. A new opportunities, a new big offer, money related offer is about to come into your life, which is so good, amazing. That's like awesome. That's beautiful. Nice, guys. New opportunities are on the horizon for you related to financial life. Let me pull out two more cards. I don't know why, but yeah. Yes, you are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to certain situation, certain person. You're cutting off the communication with someone, but at the same time gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to your money, your finances, your pentacles. Your new opportunities are on the horizon for you, guys. Okay, if someone is releasing a third party situation, either you or your person is releasing a third party situation, or leaving the past behind, walking away from a third party. Okay, so yes, lot of things are there happening. So yeah. Okay, if you are dealing with or daydreaming about certain things, certain life, certain goals into your life. Hello. Okay. So guys, there's a you are daydreaming about achieving certain goals in life, but it's taking way too long, and that's why you sometimes feel disappointed. But do not lose heart, because it will come true. Whatever you manifest, no, it will come true definitely, because everything has a divine timing. Okay. So everything happens in a divine timing. You just need to understand that this is not a divine timing thing right now, but yeah, it is soon about to get happen. Okay, so a major financial opportunity is about to happen with you, so grab that opportunity. Okay, so yes guys, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers and kindly subscribe to my channel, and kindly help us to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship. Okay, thank you so much guys. Bye bye.